Welcome to Singing with Ron. So, sit-ups and boat pose from yoga are really wonderful ways to help you find support and find core while singing. It helps you to project and find a bigger resonant sound. So, you can kind of modify and do it this way, or if you're not too strong, but if you're feeling up to it, you can go to here, or you can strengthen, you can lengthen your legs up. That one's a little too much for me. But so if I'm relaxed, I go, happy birthday to you, but as I lean back, happy birthday to you, happy birthday. And so it helps you to find some core strength and support that you really, really do need in order to sing loudly and to sing with support and to sing effortlessly. So yeah, get down on the floor, give this a try. And you can try it also if you want to put your feet underneath a couch and lean back so it becomes more like a full-on sit-up, but I find it's like right about here that you find that core and that support, and you find it wrapping around all the way around. And it's not just doing a crunch, right? But it's finding that support through your back that is really, I find helpful with this position. Great. So give that a try. Thanks.